comprehensive. This provides an extensive level of coverage. It can help cover the cost of repairs to your vehicle in the event of accidental or malicious damage, theft, fire, hail, and third-party damage. Third-party property. This typically covers you for damage you cause to other people's property, such as their car or property in a car accident. Unlike comprehensive, it typically doesn't cover damage to your car. Third-party fire and theft. This typically covers damage to other people's property and can provide limited cover for damage to your car as a result of theft or fire. It typically does not cover you for other damage caused to your car. Compulsory third party, CTP, or green slip. As its name suggests, CTP is a minimum compulsory insurance required to drive on Aussie roads. Depending on which state you live in, it could be included in the cost of your vehicle registration, or you may have to purchase it separately from an insurer. If you injure someone in a car accident, CTP can help cover the expense of compensation claims. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.